bike. Here I have a Diamondback hardtail. Anyways, let's get to it. The first step in wheeling a mountain bike is always raising your seat. To measure how high you want it, sit on it and measure it until you can just barely reach the pedal. Step 1.5, get on your bike correctly. Step 1.5, get on your bike correctly. Step 2, practice doing this. Once you've gotten comfortable with this, add in a pedal. When you add in a pedal, it should look something like this. Make sure when you're adding in your pedal that you're gonna bring this down, and as soon as you start pulling up, slam that pedal down to get the pop. Step 4, the pop. Mix all the previous steps together to get the pop. You might not want to do it like that. Let's move on to step 5. For step 5, basically, just try to get your pop and hold your pop and hold your wheelie for one full rotation of your pedal. I'll show you an example. Once you get comfortable with that, go to step 6. Once you get comfortable with one full rotation, try to get in 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. Once you get comfortable with that, hold it for as long as you can. A tip I'll give you guys right now, if you all have a 21 speed, I like to do the 1 on the left and 2 on the right gear ratio. It's a lot easier to pop and a lot easier to hold. I'll show you. That's how you wheelie a mountain bike. Drop a sub if you want to learn how to wheelie a BMX.